The Galactic Concord had rules for everything, especially war. For millennia, the Ares Accords defined civilized combat, symmetrical engagements, no ambushes, no misdirection, no exploitation of biological weaknesses, no psychological warfare. Battles were like chess on a grand scale, predictable, honorable, decisive. Then came humanity. In 2026, after joining as provisional members, humans participated in joint exercises against simulated threats. The Council expected a learning curve. Instead, they got humiliated. General Cyrilla Voss, human representative, watched as her primitive tactics dismantled elite alien formations in minutes. Guerrilla strikes from hidden positions, feints that drew enemies into kill zones, swarms of cheap drones overwhelming point defenses. High Arbiter Vexlar slammed his crystalline gavel.
This is not warfare. This is savagery.
Cyrilla smiled. It's winning. Weeks later, emergency session. The chamber buzzed with outrage. Ambassador Thorne presented evidence. Hollow replays of human atrocities. A squad using misdirection to lure an enemy cruiser into an asteroid field, then detonating pre-placed charges. Another using hacked comms to broadcast false retreat orders, causing panic. These tactics erode civilization, Thorne declared. Ambush is Class A war crime under the Accords. Feints, traps, psychological manipulation, all banned for good reason. A reptilian delegate hissed, they turn honorable combat into chaos. No wonder they win every simulation. Vexlar rose. Effective immediately, human tactics are prohibited in all Concord-sanctioned conflicts. Humans will adhere to symmetrical doctrine or face expulsion. Cyrilla stood unmoved. You ban thinking. You ban adaptation, you ban victory. The vote passed unanimously, except for the human seat, which abstained with a single raised eyebrow. Months passed. The galaxy faced a real threat. The Swarm, relentless insectoid horde that ignored rules entirely. Symmetrical fleets crumbled, losses mounted. Behind closed doors, the Council did what they accused humans of. They studied forbidden tactics. In hidden war rooms, elite strategists pored over human exercise data. Misdirection is a feint, one whispered. Swarm drones to overwhelm, exploit comms vulnerabilities. They tested secretly, small victories followed. But when the Swarm adapted, the honorable core failed again. Desperate, Vexlar summoned Cyrilla privately. We team require assistance. She crossed her arms. You banned us. We banned the tactics, he corrected. Not the minds behind them, Cyrilla laughed. You can't have one without the other. The Swarm breached outer defenses. A major conquered world, Lyris Prime, under siege. Symmetrical fleets shattered. Public broadcast. Vexlar addressed the galaxy. We must reconsider the Accords. In a closed vote, they lifted the ban, but only for humans. Cyrilla's fleet arrived. No fanfare. Just efficiency. Humans deployed everything. Guerrilla insertions on enemy hive ships, hacked signals sowing confusion, proportional strikes targeting queens. Drones swarmed like angry bees. One human captain broadcast to the Swarm. You fight like machines. We fight like survivors. The Swarm broke in hours. Hive minds collapsed under psychological pressure. False retreat signals. Echoed screams of fallen comrades. Aftermath chamber session, silence. Vexlar bowed slightly. We were wrong. Your tactics are not barbaric. They are necessary, Cyrilla nodded. The Accords protected you from reality. We live in reality. The Council revised the rules. Adaptation clause added. Humans got permanent seats. And veto on warfare doctrine. Whispers spread. Never ban the ones who win. Somewhere in the void, a human marine sharpens a blade and smiles. Still winning. Mind blown. Like if humans always adapt. Subscribe to HFY Chronicles for more best HFY 2026. Comment, what tactic would you ban? Bell on.